for. Waiting for you, can't stop waiting for you.